Today I am going to share two books with you. These books are children's book, but I like to read them, and I love them. The stories, they're wonderful. Number one, this one, Nikolai Nosov, Rat-a-tat-tat. They are a collection of short stories, and there are so many children characters. They are doing tricks and fun. Every night, most of the nights, I used to read it with my son at bedtime, and I enjoy them more than my son. They are so funny. Last time I watched, this book was not available. First time I watched in Amazon, I find that this book is above 1 lakh. And then when I again search for it, I find this book is not available. You can only buy an old copy. So it is a precious gem. But don't try to steal it from me. I have very secure protection in my house. There is a dog always sitting near our house, but he never barks. He only sits there silently till you watch that he is there and give him something to eat. He is so obedient. Okay, number 2 books. Alonuska, this one. These 2 books is Russian books, and this book I have already read. I have finished it. There is the story of Snow Child. We all know the story of Snow Child. You know, on this concept, on this story of Snow Child, various writers have written so many books. And in my book review blog, that is blogalfred.com, you will find that story of the Snow Child and the recent novels based on this. Okay, so there are so many stories, but the first one is the story of Snow Child. So you can go for it. It is also near, I searched it in Amazon, and it was also near 1 lakh. Okay. So these are the 2 precious children's book I own.